Hello friends, I can't tell you how much I believe and like to talk about products and services that make people's life better. And in today's video, I'm proud to share with you one such product which I am absolutely in love with, and that is AGARO's Air Compression Calf Massager. Want to know what exactly is air compression calf massager and how it helps? Make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's begin. So let me start by explaining you what exactly is an air compression device. Well, air compression device in medical terms are called as pneumatic compression devices or garments. These are some inflatable garments which uses air pressure to create an effect of massage. Along with these garments, there's always an inflatable unit which fills in air intermittently. Compression therapy basically uses controlled pressure to increase the blood flow to the area where it has been applied, which eventually improves the blood flow to that area and then to heart. At the same time, it helps in giving a massaging effect which feels good and reduces the symptoms of tiredness, achiness, pain in the leg. When it comes to pneumatic compression devices, orals and compression air therapy, there is a cuff orals and garment which has to be placed around the area where you want to apply this pneumatic compression. This inflatable garment will create intermittent compression on the limb. This will massage the skin and the muscles. The air which is filled will squeeze the muscle that they are surrounding via the garment. This will enable and enhance the pumping action of the blood. This type of pneumatic compression devices can be used in multiple scenarios without any side effect. Whenever you travel, whenever you walk, whenever you use your heels for a long time, as if you are standing for a long hour, or as if you are wearing heels and are traveling for longer, or as you have a tiring working day sitting in front of desktops or laptops, you will observe that your calf or as your leg region becomes heavy and achy. At that point, this device will help you to ease out that symptoms of achiness and the pain. Along with that, there are many medical scenarios where this product can be used. If you, who are someone who has gone through some recent surgery and you are not able to move around a lot, then there's very obvious that there's a lot of pooling of blood will happen in your foot or else in your leg. At that time, using this compression device that will help you to improve the pumping action in your leg. Or apart from this, if you have any other condition which limits your mobility, for example, if you have someone in your family who has got stroke or else who is bedridden for quite a long period of time, at that time using this device will help patient to not only feel good due to the massaging effect, but it will prevent some major health and life-threatening complication like deep vein thrombosis and varicose veins. Apart from that, if you who are someone who have deep vein thrombosis, if you who are someone who have varicose veins, then this product is an absolutely must-have product for you, because this product will increase the blood circulation, it will increase the pumping action going back to your heart, and thus will help you to ease from the symptoms of varicose veins as well as other blood circulation related disorder. And not only that, if you have repeated swelling in your foot, at that time also wearing this compression garment helps you out. Isn't it? AGARO air compression unit is a device which can help you in multiple ways? Yes, absolutely it is. So let me show you how to use it. So basically this device has got three important things. First are these inflatable garments. Now the beauty of this garment is its shape and size. So this is not too huge, so you can easily carry along if you are traveling also. Along with this, you have this remote control which basically has an on and off button. You have got three air pressure modes which basically determines the amount of inflation that you want: mild, moderate or heavy. And third is the sequence of the compression that you want. So this massager can be worn over the calf, can be easily worn over the feet for the feet massage, and can be also worn for the arm massage. So in this device, there are two garments And with these garments, there are this pumping tubes which you have to attach on this remote. So here you have to attach this plug on this device in this way, and then you attach this adapter. So if you can see here, these two tubes have been attached which are connected to this garment, and this adapter has been attached. Now I will put this on my calf and show you how to use it. So now you have to wear this garment. But you have to ensure that there is good gap of your hand while you put this. Same way I'll put it on my other calf. Now in order to use this product, you first need to switch on. Decide the air pressure. This is mild, this is moderate, and this is more heavy. Then you can choose the sequence. The sequence mode is the M1 mode, in which the lower airbag would work initially, which means it will inflate. Then it will hold the pressure and then it will deflate. Later on, the upper airbag would work, where it will inflate, hold the air pressure, and this cycle would repeat continuously. In circulation mode, the lower airbag would work initially. Inflation will happen first. Afterward, the air pressure would be held. Then the upper airbag would work, where again the inflation will happen and the air pressure will hold. Then the lower airbag and the upper airbag would deflate at the same time, and the cycle would repeat continuously. And in the M3 mode, the whole mode, the lower airbag, the upper airbag would work at the same time, where they would inflate together, hold the air pressure together, and deflate together. And this cycle will repeat continuously. So friends, this is how you use AGARO's air compression calf massager. I hope you found this product interesting and helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to HealthQ channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.